What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick look on Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphone, and we'll talk about its design, features, camera, screen, battery life, etc. So here we go. Samsung Galaxy S22 comes with a 6.1-inch screen with great screen to body ratio. The screen as well as the back panels are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and the frame is made of super aluminum armor. It comes with IP68 waterproofing, so the build quality is pretty solid, and with just 7.6 mm thickness and 168 gram weight. The device is pretty lightweight and slim. The front and the back panel of the device is very flat, and while holding the device it gives an iPhone-like feel. The matte finish back panel does not attract much fingerprints and smudges, but the glossy metal frame with curved edges gets a bit of smudges and fingerprints very easily for sure. So personally I would prefer if the metal frame was matte finished as well and was a bit less curvy. On the back side we got the camera module that looks a bit like the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, but the difference is that this time it is not connected to the metal frame and the camera island is separately connected to the back panel of the device. Another difference is that instead of a fixed golden color camera module, this time the color of the camera module depends on the back panel of the latest Samsung Galaxy smartphone. It gives more minimalistic, more premium look to the device in my opinion, and contributes in overall symmetrical design and build quality of the device. Talking about the color options, this device comes in the regular Phantom Black, Phantom White, Phantom Green, along with a new pink color that is especially for Samsung Galaxy S22 and S22 Ultra. Samsung is also providing many different kinds of back panel cases for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and S22 Ultra for different purposes, and providing various features that you can use to keep your devices safe and also to improve your user experience. Now talking about the display, Samsung Galaxy S22 comes with a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with 240Hz touch sampling rate for the gaming mode, the Vision Booster feature, Eye Comfort Shield with AI-based blue light control. The display quality is very nice, it's super sharp, very punchy, and it's quite bright as well. The lowest brightness level is very low, and you can easily use the device in low light situation without straining your eyes, even if you're not using any night mode. Talking about the software side, it comes with Android 12 and One UI 4.1. that is very feature rich and comes with lots of options and settings that you can use to improve your productivity on this device. One of the drawbacks of the Samsung Galaxy S22 is the small battery size. It comes with just 3700 mAh battery with 25 watt wired charging and 15 watt wireless charging. So considering the point that we got a resource hungry Snapdragon processor, a 6.1-inch screen with 120Hz refresh rate, the battery capacity is less and so is the battery charging speed. So it would be nice if the battery capacity was a bit better, or the battery charging speed was faster to quickly charge the device whenever the battery is low. The device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. It comes with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage. Now talking about the camera, it comes with a 10 megapixel front facing camera, and on the back side we got 50 megapixel primary camera, 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The 3x lossless zoom imaging is quite nice, and it can go as high as 30x digital zoom. The 3x optical zoom is available for videography as well, and the device can record up to 8K resolution videos at 24 FPS. For pictures you get the option to capture the images in RAW format, and you can also record the HDR10 Plus videos using this device. The Pro mode is now available for videos as well, and the best part is that you can change various imaging parameters right when you are recording the video, instead of setting the parameter just once before you start recording the video. So this feature is really useful when you want to record some nice videos and keep changing the parameters based on your preferences. It comes with new portrait video mode and the auto framing feature that earlier used to support up to 4 people in the frame. Now it can auto adjust the frame to accommodate as much as 10 people in the frame, and it works up to 5 meters. The single take feature is also enhanced, and now it can recognize up to 4 events. And in the director's view, now Samsung is providing the option to delete one of the videos captured either from the front cam or the rear cam while saving the video recorded using the director's view mode. But the most important and exciting feature of this camera is the new nitography. It can capture great quality low light images in handheld mode, and the performance is just super impressive. For video recording, it comes with auto frame rate feature that automatically reduces the video recording frame rate to allow the camera to receive more light and brighten the content being recorded. It also comes with many AI based features like AI autofocus, AI VDIS, etc. to properly focus on the subject and capture great quality images. Overall, Samsung Galaxy S22 is a powerful, beautiful, premium looking device in every aspect if you just forget the small battery capacity and slow charging speed compared to other flagship smartphones currently available in the market. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Many more videos of Samsung Galaxy S22 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.